The future of transportation isn't just around the corner, it's hovering right above our heads. Star Wars-style hover tech is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's about to revolutionize the way we think about travel. Let's start with a bit of backstory. For years, we've been watching movies where vehicles effortlessly hover and float around, seemingly defying gravity. No propellers, no jets, just smooth, silent flight. It always kinda seemed like pure science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Thanks to some brilliant engineers in Austria, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era in aviation. Enter Cyclotech, an Austrian company that's been quietly working on something extraordinary for over 15 years. They've taken a maritime propulsion technology called cycloidal propellers and adapted it for use in the air. The result? Cyc Rotors, a game-changing propulsion system that could revolutionize how we think about flight. Now, what makes this so special? Well, imagine a vehicle that can hover with incredible stability, move in any direction without tilting, and transition seamlessly between vertical and horizontal flight. That's what Cyc Rotors promises to deliver. The best part? This isn't just theoretical. As of May 2024, Cyclotech has successfully conducted numerous flight tests, proving that their technology works in real-world conditions. We're talking about a working prototype that's already taking to the skies. How the Cyc Rotors work. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how these Cyc Rotors actually work. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to understand. Imagine a barrel standing on its end. Now, picture that barrel spinning around its vertical axis. Got it? Great. Now, on the outside of this spinning barrel are a series of wing-like blades. These blades aren't fixed in place. They can tilt back and forth as the barrel spins. This tilting action is controlled by a clever mechanism inside the barrel, called a swash plate. As the barrel spins and the blades tilt, they create thrust. But here's the cool part. By changing how and when the blades tilt during each rotation, you can control exactly where that thrust goes. Want to go up? Tilt the blades to push air downwards. Need to move forward? Adjust the blades to push air backwards. This ability to vector thrust so quickly and accurately is what gives Cyc Rotor-equipped vehicles their incredible agility. They can hover with pinpoint precision, move sideways without tilting, and even brake in midair by reverse thrust. It's a level of control that traditional propellers or even jet engines just can't match. But there's more. Because the blades are always moving relative to the air around them, they don't suffer from the same efficiency problems that regular propellers do at high speeds. This means that Cyc Rotors could potentially be more efficient across a wider range of flight conditions. So now that we understand the basics of Cyc Rotor technology, let's talk about what it could mean for the future of personal transportation. Cyclotech isn't just developing a new type of aircraft engine. They're reimagining what personal air travel could look like. Which brings us to Cruise Up, their concept for a personal flying vehicle that brings us one step closer to those Star Wars speeders we've always dreamed about. A sleek two-seater vehicle about 1.5 times the size of a regular car. It doesn't have wings or big scary rotors sticking out. Instead, it has 6 Cyc Rotors, 4 at the corners and 2 more along the body. This design allows the Cruise Up to take off and land vertically, hover with incredible stability, and zip around in any direction. Cyclotech envisions the Cruise Up as something you could actually own and use in your daily life. We're not talking about a fancy toy for the ultra-rich, or a specialized vehicle for emergency services only. Nope. They're aiming for something much more ambitious, a personal transport vehicle that regular people could buy and use. Of course, we're not quite there yet. The Cruise Up is still a concept, and Cyclotech estimates it won't be ready for the market until at least 2035. But the fact that they're already thinking about these practical applications shows just how transformative this technology could be. Now, you might be wondering about safety. After all, the idea of your neighbors zipping around in flying cars might seem a bit nerve-wracking. But that's exactly where the Cyc Rotor technology really shines. Because the rotors are enclosed and the thrust can be so precisely controlled, these vehicles could potentially be much safer than traditional helicopters or other VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Plus, without large exposed rotors, there's less risk of accidents during takeoff and landing in confined spaces. And the ability to brake and maneuver quickly in the air could be a huge safety advantage. It's not hard to imagine future air traffic systems where cyclorotor-equipped vehicles can navigate busy skies with ease. While the idea of personal flying cars is incredibly exciting, the potential applications of cyclorotor technology go far beyond just getting us to work in style. First up, let's talk about cargo delivery. We've all heard about companies like Amazon experimenting with drone deliveries, right? Well, cyclorotor technology could take this concept to a whole new level. Imagine delivery drones that can hover with incredible stability, even in windy conditions, and maneuver precisely to drop off packages in tight spaces. Japanese logistics giant Yamato Transport is already collaborating with Cyclotech on exactly this kind of application. But it's not just about delivering your online shopping faster. Think about disaster relief operations, where getting supplies to hard-to-reach areas quickly can be a matter of life and death. Cyclorotor-equipped drones could navigate through debris-filled areas or hover steadily to lower supplies with pinpoint accuracy. Next, let's consider the potential for enhancing existing aircraft. Helicopters, for example, could benefit enormously from this technology. Cyclorotors could make them faster, more maneuverable, and significantly quieter. This could revolutionize everything from medical evacuation services to news reporting and aerial filmmaking. Speaking of quieter, that's another big advantage of cyclorotors. Because they don't have the issue of different airspeeds along the blade that traditional propellers do, they're much quieter, especially at high RPMs. This could make them ideal for urban air mobility solutions, where noise pollution is a major concern. In a world of inspection and monitoring, cyclorotor drones could be game changers. Imagine a drone that could hold perfectly still in strong winds while inspecting wind turbines, bridges, or tall buildings. The precision and stability offered by cyclorotors could make these inspections safer, faster, and more accurate. There's also potential in the energy sector. While the details are still speculative, some experts believe that the unique properties of cyclorotors could be applied to energy harvesting. Could we see wind turbines of the future using this technology to capture energy more efficiently? It's an exciting possibility to consider. And let's not forget about military and security applications. The ability to hover silently, move in any direction instantly, and operate in confined spaces could make cyclorotor-equipped vehicles invaluable for reconnaissance, search and rescue, and other specialized operations. As exciting as all of this is, we need to keep in mind that we're still in the early stages of this technology. While Cyclotech has made incredible progress, there are still some challenges to overcome before we see cyclorotors becoming a common sight in our skies. One of the biggest hurdles is energy storage. Like all electric aircraft, cyclorotor-equipped vehicles will need powerful, long-lasting batteries to be practical for everyday use. The current prototype of the Cruise Up, for example, has a top speed of about 150 km per hour, 93 mph, and a range of about 100 kilometers, or 62 miles. That's pretty impressive for a prototype, but it'll need to improve significantly for widespread adoption. There's also the matter of regulatory approval. Flying cars and personal air vehicles represent a whole new category of transport, and aviation authorities around the world will need to develop new regulations to ensure their safe operation. This process takes time, which is why Cyclotech isn't expecting to see widespread adoption until at least 2035. But despite these challenges, the future looks bright for Cyclotech and cyclorotor technology. The company has just secured $22 million in a recent funding round, and investors are starting to take notice of the potential here. This is likely just the beginning of the investment we'll see pouring into this technology. So, what does all this mean for us? Well, we might not be zipping around like Luke Skywalker just yet, but we're closer than ever to making that sci-fi dream a reality. The development of cyclorotors represents a fundamental shift in how we think about flight and air mobility. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a whole new paradigm that could reshape our cities, our transportation systems, and our daily lives. What do you think about this technology? Are you excited about the prospect of owning your own flying car? Or do you have your concerns? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of transportation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest in tech innovations, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. And hey, while you're at it, give that bell icon a tap too. That way you'll be the first to know when we upload new content about game-changing technologies like this one. Until next time, keep the spark of curiosity alive.